Hello everyone and welcome to this week's mid-game tactic tutorial. This is spot number 3 from section 1 of chapter 10 in the book. Now it will be Black's turn to move first, so I've taken the liberty to change the colors. So a quick analysis of the situation: Black would have 2 cannons, 1 horse, 1 chariot. Red would have 2 chariots, 1 cannon, 2 pawns, full guard. It will be Black's turn to move, and Black will use the tactic of use the central cannon to control the central file. And how would he be able to use his remaining 3 pieces to make an orchestrated attack? Let us see. The first move will be c6 equals to 7, targeting the elephant. Now the main reason behind this move was that if this elephant was taken out, Red could play h4 plus 5 to capture this elephant and go for a double check for the checkmate. Now, at this point, Red cannot play r9 equals to 6 to pin x13 to capture the horse, otherwise it will be an immediate checkmate. So there are 2 variations. The first would be c3 equals to 4. Now what would happen if Red chose to protect the chariot, or the elephant, with his chariot with r2 minus 9? Red will go ahead and sacrifice his cannon, forcing the chariot to capture, and then capture the central cannon, the central elephant, for the win. Now, even if Black made this move, he could easily protect and trade chariots, and there will be nothing that Red can do to prevent h5 plus 3, Black's h5 plus 3 checkmate. Now it would be a double check, so the cannon would not be able to capture the horse, as this Black cannon will be delivering a check. So let's say h4 plus 5, since the Black cannon moved. Now if, let's say, Black tried to make a move, Black would capture the elephant. Again, this would be a win for Black. Now if the elephant capture it, it will be an immediate checkmate, which is why Black tried to play hc3 equals to 4 to try to form some sort of attack, hoping to turn the tables, but it would be too late. Black would simply capture the elephant, check, trade off chariots. Now Red tried to make some mischief. Black will simply defend in this manner, and it is very important that the king is kept on this file. So at this point in time, there will be nothing to stop or prevent the Black from winning with h5 plus 3, because the king has already controlled this file, so the Red king cannot come out. So let's say Red play c4 minus 7. This will be a double check. The horse will be delivering a check. The Black cannon will also be delivering a check, and this will be a checkmate. So a quick short review. First, attacking the elephant, taking out one of the main defenders. If r2 minus 9, Red will still go ahead and then capture the horse for the win. If c3 minus 1, again Red would capture the central elephant, and if he did, capture. Now if Red again tried to trade chariots, it will still be a check. So it will be too late, because this will be a double check leading to a checkmate. Okay, so check, checkmate. So this is one of the many examples of basic kills with using the central cannon, which will control the central file. So I hope you liked this week's example. If you like the work I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for this video. Thank you.